Hey my lovelies, it's your girl Loren and we're back. So today we're heading to the supermarket to grab a few items that we need to cook dinner today. I already have some of them, but I need extras and I need some of the things that I don't have. So we're gonna run to the supermarket. Yes, it's pouring rain outside. As you can see, that poor lady is running. It's mucky, it's wet, it's disgusting outside. The wind speed is literally 25 miles per hour, so it's very bad. I was trying to record out on my way to the supermarket, but the wind would not let me be. It would blow my umbrella and was a hot mess. So I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm in the supermarket. Alright, so I made it to the supermarket. I grabbed the potatoes. I grabbed 3 coconut water because they were actually on sale. So they're like 3 for $3. So I grabbed those, and I grabbed plantains. It was on sale as well, 4 for $5. So I grabbed some plantains. And I promised I was only gonna get the things that I actually needed. So I'm gonna try to stick to that. Sorry. Next one. I'm gonna get a lasagna. I'm gonna get one of these. There's no beef roll. So I need red chili flakes. They don't have any. I'm gonna grab me some ramen noodles. Only 3 because we are trying to cut back on the ramen noodles. So I'm only gonna get just these 3 flavors. I'm trying to find red chili flakes and I don't think they have any.
Every year? Because like you gotta yell to be heard, or to express yourself, you feel like you're being challenged. It's like desperation. You know what?
I'm learning something new.
A true one. I learned that. I thought it was true, right? Yeah, all is I feel like you're like, look, when you're smart, you're gonna make it hard. See? You come right back, see? It's a desperation. So even when you're dark, you feel like say. I'm going to turn at the moment, so you can't hear something. Look back door because I can't see something, but most of I think I can't hear the light get bright. I'm going to turn a little bit to the light. I'm going to try to show you that telescope. Come over there so I can see your phone.
So I'm going to try to get another hobby. I'm trying to cook dinner early. Oh God, I'm not even doing an intro.
I think you should make it interesting enough for a video then, so you kind of know what you did. That I realized at first
not like that. So we're like, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is gonna be yada yada yada. Like I'm gonna do from what do you win?
We'll do that different. I think you still make it interesting.
No, we can still do it, you know, it's just a moment I feel like.
It depends on how you want to do it. If you want to do the intro before you start cooking. For example,
I try to do the intro before I start cooking, so I can just get it out the way, coming on one just in case I'm ready to go edit my video now that my member said, oh shoot, no, did an intro, and that's what happened to me.
But that's cool, because we understand. That's cool, let me understand. But it's like, at first, you never understand areas because I never extra shit. I'm like, how you gonna tell what's gonna happen in the video and you didn't record the video? You have to go up on the road. I'm like, oh no, he recorded the video, he knew what would happen. Then that's why he said, yo, this video's gonna be crazy, you wanna have this and that going on. I'm like, I think that's good. So the difference with you with type of content is not you're cooking stuff.
Jada, bring it back.
You might want to make an intro in the kitchen to get them a feel like it's an anointing and cook. But sometimes you can't make an intro, you just get up in that room, you're like, guys, and then it's like, they're not gonna see you come to the kitchen and cook to the party and see everything from scratch. They might just kind of see a little part. You know, come see people do that. You want some people vlog, then start the video with them already, do what them a do, and just introduce the video and get right back into them a do.
That's what I've been doing from the other day. But what I'm saying to you is, really want to just record the intro from now and have it and then just go back to my cooking. Just in case I don't forget.
You take it on bad, so the way you say it can be the way you know it can be. Just do it away, it doesn't matter about it. Or while there's a cookie, just going to point something to you real quick. So, hey guys, welcome back to the
But me, I record to me, I go away.
You start the recording, and it's messy. You start the recording, start it over. As you start recording again, your intro. You can't book your cook, see when you start it.
No, that's what that's what me have planned to do.
You know, we already got this in the store,
That's exactly what I had planned to do.
She can't watch enough, you kind of just I said, I really watch those contents a lot, but making the enough, and just from comments and stuff. I don't know, so you're certain things. Just I'm going to certain times of way. I think people sometimes their content is a bit easier. I think people who do really love their contents are easier. In my opinion, I feel like they can just vlog about nothing. Obviously, it's not interesting, but they can vlog about nothing and still get content. The one who really have to get up what they go look for the content for what you specifically build. You get me answer? It must be a lot.
What happened?
Like how they do in the board and cook for people. If you know what we're not going to do another content,
Hey guys, it's your girl Loren and welcome back to the channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for constantly coming back. Anyways guys, so today is Wednesday. It's raining outside. It's been raining for a couple of days now, but today I feel like it's worse. It's yucky, it's nasty, thunder, lightning, all that stuff. So I hope wherever everybody is in the world, they're safe, they're dry, they're clean, they're healthy, and everybody's fine. Thank you guys for tuning in when you do tune in. And like I said, today is Wednesday, so for dinner, I'm going to make baked ziti with lobster tail and mashed potato, guys. So that's on the menu for today. I was been supposed to start vlogging, but I went to the supermarket, so I do have some clips from the supermarket. But I thought I was going to be able to cook dinner earlier than now, because now it's like around 7:30, and I was been supposed to cook dinner from 2 something today, okay, y'all? I went to the supermarket at 1 something. I thought I was going to start dinner before Jason got home from school, but that didn't work out. Life happens. We're human. So I'm cooking dinner now. So dinner's going to be super late tonight. But as long as we're eating, that's the most important part of it, okay? So I'm going to take you guys on a journey with me cooking dinner today, and with my crazy kids making a lot of noise in the back, y'all. I kid y'all not. This is them every single day. I kid y'all not. Literally. 2 pieces of the pie, but yes, still they were arguing, they will fight. But it's all up, y'all. So we'll be right back, y'all. All right, y'all. So this is basically my ricotta cheese with spinach and my parsley. I wanted to get the fresh parsley from the supermarket, but when I picked it up to buy it, it was a whole lot, and I didn't need so much, because I was only gonna just need it for 1 meal for the day, because I didn't need any more parsley after that. But I remembered I had the dry one in the cupboard, so I was like, you know what, using the dry one is not going to be an issue. So I decided to just use my dry parsley in replacement of the fresh parsley. Don't get me wrong, guys, even though I know if you do use the fresh parsley, you would get like more of a better taste, aroma, whatever the case may be. Going fresh items in your meals is always the right way to go. But sometimes if it's not gonna happen or it's not gonna work out, you can't get it. Sometimes it doesn't hurt to do an alternative that would also still work for you. So to each your own. I decided to use my dry parsley, and it should work perfectly fine, because I've used it a couple of times in other things as an alternative, and it came out pretty well. So I basted my pan with some of the ground beef and the ground turkey already. So I'm gonna go ahead, add some noodles. I was gonna make some more noodles, guys, but it didn't work out, but that's fine. I didn't make a lot, guys, so I'm gonna be putting like small portions and not too much at a time, because I didn't make a lot of it. I bought Kraft mozzarella cheese and the mild cheddar. They were on sale, 2 for $5, so I bought the 3 of them. Mozzarella. I didn't buy 2 mozzarella only because I'm not really a fan of mozzarella cheese, so I bought only 1 bag. I'm more of a fan of the cheddar. Only time I would eat a good portion of mozzarella cheese is when I'm eating like cheesesteak. And not cheesesteak, I'm sorry, string cheese. That's the only time I would really like, kind of like mess with it a bit. But other than that, I'm not really a fan of mozzarella cheese at all. I was gonna make this in the small pan. I don't know why I put it in a big pan, but it's gonna get cooked either way, so I just didn't want to put it in my small baking pan, and then everything is like all bulky. And overflowing in the smaller pan. What happened? What did you do? What did you do? Tell Daddy what you did. No, what did Jada do? So this is the baked ziti, guys. It's all done. Well, not done, but ready for the oven. Alright guys, so we're back. The baked ziti's all done. The potatoes are done. All I gotta do is mix them out and put my garlic and make my mashed potatoes and put them to the side. We got Jada here today, guys. Say hi.
Mommy.
Yes. What?
Two.
You want juice?
Huh?
You want juice? Anyways, guys, so thank God hubby came in and was able to help me record and vlog some content, because I was about to lose my mind. I was getting frustrated, y'all. So hubby was able to step in and help me when I was doing the lobster. So my lobster is basically halfway done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make my my garlic butter sauce to add to my lobster, and then put them back in the oven. So I'm gonna go do that, and baby girl's gonna have her juice, and we'll be right back. So that's the lobster over there, guys. It's not fully done yet. I'm making my my butter base or butter sauce that I'm gonna put on there. So I'm gonna let this simmer a little bit, then I'm gonna pour it on top of my lobster, pop it back in the oven for like 5 minutes, and it's all done, and dinner would almost be ready, because I still got to do the mashed potatoes like I said earlier. So I'm about to start basting I'm gonna start basting my lobster. You see how beautiful that's starting to look, guys? So beautiful. Y'all, forgive me. I'm trying to vlog this with one hand while I hold the camera while I try to do it. And of course, Superman hopped in to help me out really quick. I appreciate. Thank you so much. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
y'all, real quick. So I finally bought the mashed potato crusher thingy. Finally, because I've been using a fork all this while. So I finally bought one. Yes, baby? Share it. And I finally bought these little brush thingies that you use to base the food, like the brush baser thing. I've been hunting for these for so long and couldn't find them, and I finally found them in my local 99-cent store. Y'all know me, I love my 99-cent store. This is the smaller one, so I get 2 in the package. Y'all know I love my 99-cent store. If y'all watch my previous vlog, y'all saw that I went to the 99-cent store with my son. Y'all could go and watch that video. But I love me my 99-cent store. You could get some good things with some good prices sometimes. Because sometimes I buy some things there and I regret it and my money went down the drain. Keep your comments to yourself. No. See your face, what is up? No, I'm looking at this. Anyways, so hubby, thank God, is gonna do the mashed potatoes for me. So I don't gotta do it. You're not doing it? Okay. So he's gonna do my mashed potatoes for me while I finish with the lobster, and then dinner is completely done. Alright guys, so we're back. Dinner is finally completely done. What happened? Uh-oh. Yes. So dinner is finally all done, and hubby's giving JC a shower, then he's gonna give Jada a shower. So that's like, I don't have to do that tonight because hubby's doing it for me. Even most of the nights he does take the kids and give them a bath or clean them up for the night so I could get to relax a little bit. So right now I'm actually relaxing. Dinner is all done. The baked ziti's done. The mashed potatoes done. And the lobster tails are all done. So once hubby's done giving JC a bath and giving Jada a bath, we're going to have dinner. He's going to do a little bit of homework and he's going to go to bed. He's going to go to bed a little bit late tonight because dinner was done pretty late, you know. So he got an extra few hours up tonight. So he got a pass for tonight. But other than that, normally he would be in bed like 8:30, 9 o'clock. So he's up past his bedtime. But that's okay. You know, the world is not going to come to an end. So dinner is all done and I'm so excited. I can't wait to eat dinner, y'all. And I'm excited for hubby to try this dinner. It's not his first time, but he's not a seafood fan. He will eat shrimp and he will eat lobster tail. That's about it. He's not really a fan of seafood because he doesn't like the rawness and all that stuff, which is totally understandable. Everybody's different. To each their own. People like what they like, and I respect that about him because there's certain things that I don't like myself. So whenever I do cook it and whenever he do request it, it's like once in a blue moon. So the fact that he's going to eat it right now, he's probably never going to eat it again until probably like the next 4 or 5 months. Like, that's how bad it is, y'all. He's not a fan of seafood. He doesn't really like the raw smell and stuff like that. So things like that kind of trigger him. So I try not to, you know, make it too often where it would bother him, you know. But he does compromise with me sometimes when I want to make certain things. And I love and appreciate that about him because I compromise with him sometimes and he compromises with me. And when you're in a relationship, it's all about compromising and making it work for each other. So, and it's funny, I bought some plantains today. They were on sale, 4 for $5, and I bought them and I wanted to put plantains on the side, but it was already too late and we're already having heavy meals already, so I didn't want to have anything more extra heavy and starchy on the plate. So I just left it. Probably make them for breakfast in the morning. Not sure how that's gonna go, so that might be a vlog for tomorrow in the morning making breakfast. I'm not sure yet. Because sometimes some mornings be moving so fast and hectic, I can't get to set up to record. Some mornings I'm able to, some mornings I'm not. So you guys haven't gotten no morning content in a while. And yeah, I think that's basically it. I don't know, this Friday coming or this Saturday, I'm gonna try to go live. I was supposed to go live today, y'all, and it didn't work out. I'm gonna attempt it tonight still when the kids go to bed, hopefully. But if it doesn't work out, that's fine. I still have Friday and Saturday to give it a try. Mommy. Yes, baby. He's almost done, Mama. Give Mommy a hug. Give Mommy a big hug. Don't mind her hair, y'all. She's going to get her hair done. I don't know. I'll be doing my kids' hair, and their hair don't last for no more than 3 days. Yes, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Kisses? Kisses? Your mommy kisses?
Sure.
Do y'all hear her say hi?
Hi.
Say hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
Mm.
Say how you doing?
Go.
See you later.
Here.
Say see you later.
Here.
Then put your hand over here. Say see you later. Do it. Say see you later. No? No? Show me eyes. Show me the eyes. Show me Jay the eyes. Where's the eyes? Is this the eyes? Show me. Show mommy eyes. Show me nose. She's being shy, y'all. But my girl is a big girl, y'all. She's about to be 2, but before she was 1, she knew her eyes, her nose, her mouth, her teeth, her tongue, all that good stuff, y'all. We be teaching her, and her brother also be teaching her things as well. And she watch a lot of Gracie's Corner, Miss Rachel, and all that good stuff, y'all. So we do keep her busy and occupied. The fact that she's not going to daycare, right, mamas? Right? High five with your nasty hand that you just did. Eyes. Show me eyes. Show me nose. Show me mouth. Show me tongue. Show me teeth. Show me lips. Show me ears. Show me forehead. Not your ears no more. Forehead. She still can't get that one, y'all. Show me hair. Good job. Show me fingers. Show me feet. Show me your foot. Show me toes. Show me toes. That's my big girl, y'all. Good job. Show me tummy. Show me tummy. Good job. High five.
Bye.
High five. 5. I love you. My babies are so sweet, y'all. I love them to death, y'all. Huh?
Go.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say see you later.
Yes.
Be safe.
Yes.
So that's it for tonight's vlog, y'all. I'm gonna sign out. See you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to turn the post notification bell off. Whenever I post a new video, you're instantly notified. See you. Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.